Good morning, guys. Early morning. Oh, shit. It's 6:39. I have to pack down to go babysit. Oh shit. Ooh, it's cold. I'm gonna turn this on just for a few seconds. Fucking hell. Good morning, guys. I don't want to wake up at this time, man. I don't even want to look at the clock, man. This journey's about freedom, not about watching kids. Just a mosquito. Oh my god. At least I got an hour and 15 minutes before I gotta be there. It takes deceptively long to pack down sometimes. Gonna smoke a cigarette before I do anything. Fuck it. Alright, I got my tent packed down. That's where it was. Once again, I didn't leave any garbage here. I only pick up garbage. Let's get out of here. It's so cold this morning, guys. You don't understand, man. I just had a realization that winter's coming. It's gonna get so brutal, like in a month. Fuck. Like, I'm gonna need better clothes. I'm gonna need to start using my winter jacket. I need better shoes. Like, shit, man. There's a bunch of things I need. So I better start picking up some bottles because I have a feeling no one's gonna just buy stuff for me. So, yeah, let's get back out on the road. On the road again. I tried finding a spot in here to the left. I went in here yesterday, but yeah, there wasn't any good in there. Hello guys, I just finished showering. Today is just gonna be all watching Jason and just editing videos. He's still sleeping. He woke up, I told him, hey, it's still early, go back to sleep. You know, want to get a bit of editing in before things go crazy. Because he's very energetic. They haven't really taken him out to play with him enough. He's just been sitting in this apartment. So, yeah, I'm sure he's gonna be full of energy today. All I can think of is just going out and making some more money. Like, I don't really think I can rely on other people when it comes to this kind of stuff. Maybe Dion. Let's see. I mean, I like him, but things always end up playing out differently than you had imagined, right? So yeah, I need to start making some money. Okay, so Mike just got back before from doing his personal business. And the first thing he does is like, okay, so how are we gonna spend the money that I've been out collecting? You know, how do we spend the bottles that Luke... How do we spend the money from the bottles Luke has collected? Like, what do you mean, spend the money I've collected? He's talking about, I want to make this food, that food. I'm like, dude, I don't care. If you spend your money however you like, that just means that I'm going to spend my money however I like. I haven't been able to eat. Like, you haven't been providing food for the past 2 days. I've had to take care of myself. So, yeah, I'm just going to buy whatever I want. And I'm going to eat and I'm going to collect more bottles. But then calmness and clarity came over me. And, yeah, I bought some leverpostej and rye bread, and I'm gonna go back there and eat it with them. But yeah, I'm basically just gonna do what he does, just buy whatever I want, and if people want to eat, they can eat. Check it out, guys. I made leverpostej, hot leverpostej in the oven. Just like 30-40 minutes, like 180, no fan. And then spread out over rye bread. I know it doesn't look appetizing, but this is amazing. Hey guys, it's quite a few hours later. I'm on the harbor right now. I got my plastic glove on. I'm gonna make some money. I don't know, I don't feel tired. I just feel like, why not? You know, I'm not really doing anything I keep saying he's gonna leave tomorrow to go to someplace else, but I don't really see it coming. So in the meantime, I'm just making some money. Why not? It's a little easier this way. Made a little more than $1 so far out here at the harbor. Yeah, it's pretty quick. I got a few good spots already. Let's keep going. I have a few tricks, like tying it up like so. You can fill it with cans, but not bottles this way. Let's get some more. Womp womp. Making some money in the train station. Let's go. We're not going to Copenhagen though. Let's get some more money. Bunch of money to be made here on the train station. I'm just chilling out with the guys in voice chat. It's making it quite the enjoyable experience. Here we go. Someone drank a 6-pack, that's $1. Let's go. Before you put them in the bag, make sure you like shake the worst of it out there. Otherwise it's gonna be a soupy mess whenever you have to deliver the bottles, because you're gonna have to touch that again. Think about that. I just met Mike and the loud friend on the way to the Circle K, the gas station. And I just found this in one trash can here. That's like $1.50 already. This is looking pretty good. Okay, check it out. That's what I started with. And then I just went through the gas station and I got even more than I started with. I'm gonna shift some over from one to the other though. Guys, I'm here at the Burger King, my final stop. And I got a bit more than I used to right here. I think I'll have like about 100 krona or so, like a little more than $20, $23 or so. I've just been chilling out, talking to the guys. Same thing I would have been doing if I was living in an apartment, except I'm making money. And I'm not paying for an apartment. And I'm happier. And I'm getting fresh air. Let's go. I'm sorry that I don't film so much these days, guys. I don't know, I guess I've just kinda... I don't know, I should film stuff like this. I don't know why I'm not doing it. I'm just preoccupied with picking up these bottles. Like, I'm just a little worried, I guess. Or preoccupied, I don't know how to put it. But yeah, I'll try and show you guys some more nuances instead of just the same old stuff. It's just my mind has been elsewhere than filming. That's probably the best way to put it. Alright guys, I am back in my tent now, the familiar sight, and yeah, just a long trip there, picking up bottles. I'm a little tired, but hey, it's nice. I like it, and I get to just hang out with the guys in the meantime, not watch videos, not do all kinds of like brain dead, where you don't use your brain at all. I like doing this kind of stuff. It's nice. I'm gonna make some food now. I'm just making the same thing I was yesterday. But yesterday I made tea first. Today I'm too hungry. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna make it first. Used my final carrots and tomatoes. Added some spices and a little bit of cooking oil on there. And in the meantime I'm waiting for this to boil. It's gonna be there any moment. And yeah, just hungry. Can't wait. I'm gonna add some ketchup to that when it starts rendering. Whatever you call it. I'm hungry. I'm just hanging out with Stony in voice chat. Got my phone sitting here watching some videos. Yeah, it's pretty good. Oh yeah, no pants. The residual heat from the Trangia makes it nice in here. Also, be very careful. You know, the tent walls are very close here. You gotta know what you're doing. Check it out, guys. pasta is ready. And I used the starchy water for this sauce. I'm gonna reduce it by a lot. But the more sauce, the quicker these tomatoes will soften, or the more water, the quicker they will soften. Just trying to balance this thing to have the liquid not spill to one side. Oh yeah, I opened my tent door all the way because it's just too much steam in here. I don't want this to get damp and wet in here. We're moving along. I'm mushing out and chopping up the tomatoes now. Just refilled the alcohol stove down here as well. It's heating up again. Okay guys, I got the sauce quite reduced now. I'm gonna add some ketchup. Yeah, I know it's kind of crazy to add ketchup, but this doesn't really have the right flavor yet. It needs the ketchup. Alright, I'd say it's ready now. Let's eat. When I'm done pouring it up in one side of the pot, then I always add some of the clean pastas so I can like swirl them around with a spoon and get all the rest of the sauce off. Makes it easier to clean too. I have to use less water that way. And I only got 2.5 liters.